Alright guys, I'm trying to change this switch. It's broken. See, when you turn it up, it doesn't turn up. You need to push it. But this light's so strong, it's very hot. So I'm gonna try to replace it quick. I did earlier at my sister's house. So let's see if I can do it quick here. Ooh, okay, good. In it. It's very, very hot. I had to remove that. Oh, it's very hot. This light is very, very hot. So should be up on. Oh, should be this way. No, it's that way. Oh, it's very hot. This light here that I have is very hot. It's making me sweat. Okay, should be an easy peasy one, but let's see if I can get it correct. There we go. Right there, one at a time. Oh, I'm sweating. Okay. So boom boom. Okay, good. So I need to remove this one first. This one second. It's gonna get loose. Oops. I should have done it during the day, but I have a busy life. Whew, init. Para nakapasok. This my safety pliers. This is a live electricity. I don't advise you guys to do the same thing. Get me excited. Still loose. Still tight. I don't know why it's very tight. Yes, it's been loose. Hulog na. Drop it up. Don't need it. Product. It's very. I don't know why it's hard to pull out. Well, I do not understand. It's very tight. Should be loosened already. I don't understand why it's very hard to pull it out. Oh, Jesus Christ. Putol pa. Shit. So that means I have to make another wire on that. That's gonna be hard. It's hot. So now I have to cut the wire from here. Because it's cut off by accident. There we go. Nagpawisan tuloy ako. Okay, where's the other? Oh, jeez. So now I have to stick that one in here. Should be an easy one, but it's hard to pull it out. Good. So get one in and have to get it tight. It's easy. This light I have here is very hot. Can feel it. It's like in a sauna. It's like plus 45 or 50. I guess good there for now. Then now I have to pull out the other one. So this one now I got to pull out. Trying to not to get the contact from the other side. Might end up just cutting it off. It's probably easier there. Then just cut another line from it. So guys, don't do this at home if you don't know what you're doing. This is dangerous and that's live. Okay, one more. It's not enough. Oof, it's really hot in here. I'm sweating. I can feel it. Nung bata pa ako, kalikutan ko, nagpapakurente akong kusa doon sa base na ginawa nung utol ko nun. Nung maliit pa ako nun, kalikutan ko, 3 beses pa. Anyway, stick it to the hole. And there, that hole. There we go. So I got it in. Ooh, it's hot. I'm sweating. So I'm gonna get it tight. Just like that. There we go. See? Works. See? Lights on. Gonna turn up this light here. It's so hot. I am sweating. Whew. Kita niyo po. Basa-basa ako ng pawis. Sobra. Anyway, I'm gonna put this one on now. Just like this. Push it in a little bit. Ang init ko. Paso ako no. Apoy, anong kanyang kainitan. My goodness. So anyway, my sister called me earlier to help her out with her switch. It's like this one. It's afternoon, but at least it's the afternoon. To me, it's at night, and we have to turn up her switch for safety. Okay. Was it loose? Thought we got it right. Oh, maybe it's not. Maybe I didn't have it tight yet. Jesus Christ. Pull it up again. Hang on a minute. Thought I have enough. Thought I have enough length there to get it tight. Hang on, guys. Maybe it's still loose. I have to get really tight. Something's not. Yeah, maybe it's a little loose. A little bit. Just to make sure it's tight. The contact is good enough. So, okay. Get it tight. It's tight. Okay, it's put tight. So maybe something. So maybe it's pulling out just a little bit. Push it in. There. Init sobra. Getting sweaty here. Come on, get into the hole. Don't be shy. There. There we go. Alright guys. Boom. Oh, thank God it's so hot in here. Gotta get that thing in. Make sure it's no grounds. Okay, good. Baka makuryente ako eh. Wala pa naman ako suod na Bertud. Alright people. Nasaan na yung aking pang cover? There we go. Kukuberan ko na po siya. Very easy peasy. Boom. Like that. Just like that. There. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Okay. So na yun. Init. Napawisan pa rin ako. Mag-shower po ako pagkatapos nito. Kasi mag-aros ka na upgrade myself for SRA for safety inspection. Ayan, what's going on here? It's not fully in. I need to push it in. Masyadong stick out po siya eh. Kasi magkaiba po sila ng model kasi luma ng konti itong aking ano. How comes not? Magkaiba sila ng butas. I don't get it. Okay, gonna put one in. Okay, one in a little bit. Oh, init. Para ako naliligo sa sarili kong pawis, mga kapatid. Very, very hot. Pero my wife's been complaining about this for a long time. But since I get time now, I'll do it now. Because I have the spare. Ay! Nahulog pa. Ay! Nahulog. Nahulog sa butas. Nakmuntipak lang. Yan, tatlo na lang ang making ano. Ng wedding. Tatlo na yung tornilyo na nahulog yung isa sa sink. Pasensya na kayo. Uy. Ayun, pwede na. It's good. Hanap na lang ako ng spare bukas. Alright guys, thank you very much. Whoop, works. Very good. Ayan lang po ang aking nasabi. Ingat po kayo. Huwag niyong gagawin yung ginawa ko. Kasi it's very dangerous. Make sure you wear protection. You need to wear leather gloves. This is actually a rubber one. It's very thin. Pero okay na yun. Better have a protection than nothing. And this one, rubberized tools. So, alright. Have a good night. Bye.